Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup LUTs and color profiles for Premiere Pro projects step by step clearly. To backup LUTs and color profiles for Premiere Pro projects, start by launching Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Open the project you wish to backup your LUTs and color profiles from. Navigate to the project panel, which is typically located in the lower left corner of the interface. Locate the folder where your LUTs and color profiles are stored within the project panel. Right-click on the folder and select Reveal in Explorer or Reveal in Finder. This action will open the File Explorer or Finder window displaying the folder containing your LUTs. Select all the LUT files you wish to backup by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on each file. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted files and choose Copy. Now, decide where you want to store your backup. Navigate to the desired backup location in your File Explorer or Finder. Right-click in the backup location and select Paste to create a copy of your LUTs. Next, return to Premiere Pro and locate your color profiles. Go to the Effects panel and search for Lumetri Color to access the color effects. Open the Lumetri Color panel and scroll down to the Creative section to view your applied color profiles. Note any specific custom profiles you have used in your project. Exit Premiere Pro and navigate to the location where the custom color profiles are stored on your computer. Make sure to copy these files the same way you did with the LUTs. Once copied, return to your backup location and paste the custom color profiles there. After completing these steps, you will have backed up both your LUTs and color profiles successfully. Close the File Explorer or Finder once you have confirmed that your files are safely stored. Your LUTs and color profiles are now secure and ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.